ngRx, the state management Angular framework that every full stack and front-end developer should know. You will never go the same after learning it, and it will blow your mind. Hello, my name is Amin Mrahi and I am a full stack and data engineer. And in this video I will show you the importance of using ngRx as a framework for management states in Angular and its architecture. So here we have the global architecture and the ngRx state management lifecycle. We can say that lifecycle state management with ngRx is like hosting a chaotic party. First, store the dinner table where all the important stuff is kept. Sometimes it's organized, sometimes it's a mess, but it's where everything happens. 2. Reducer, the chef who decides what goes on the table and what gets thrown out. Sometimes they're generous, sometimes they're stingy, but they're always in charge of the menu. 3. Action, the menu requests from the guests. They ask something like bring me some dessert please, or no more broccoli please. Sometimes they're polite, sometimes they're demanding, but they always want some. 4. Selector, the server who listens to what guest wants and fetches it from the kitchen. They're like a telepathic waiter who knows what exactly guests want, without them having to say it out loud. 5. Effects, the kitchen staff who works behind the scenes to fulfill the guests' requests. They are the ones who make sure the food is cooked, the drinks get poured, and everything runs smoothly. Sometimes they're efficient, sometimes they're overwhelmed, but they're always hustling.